How to turn off Find My iPhone. Well, turning off Find My iPhone has different consequences. You will no longer be able to track the location of your iPhone using the Find My app on other devices or iCloud.com. It will also disable your activation lock. This means if your iPhone is stolen or lost, someone else can activate and use it. You will have to take the risk if you want to turn it off. If you're really looking out to turn it off, then what you want to do is head over to the settings of your device. And then head over to your Apple ID at the very top. The option of Find My will be visible to you. Click on it. And then you have to click on Find My iPhone at the very top. Right here you can see that this feature is turned on. You simply have to toggle off this button. Now you will be prompted to enter your Apple ID password. Once you enter your password, tap on Turn Off at the very top right corner of the screen. Once you click on Turn Off, your Find My iPhone will be turned off successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can turn off Find My iPhone. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.